Hey guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of a couple new dip powders I got from Double Dip, so let's get right into the video. But now let's take a look at the dip powders I got. So now that you have all the colors opened up, let's start this mani. So I'm going to start off by peeling off these old nails. I'm also going to trim down my nail length a little bit. And to help in quick removal with the dip powder, I'm going to grab my peel off base coat and apply that to all the nails. And then let dry. So for this mani I'm also going to use the Double Dip liquids. So I'm going to be doing a multicolored mani. On my thumb I already dipped the purple color and it's a very pretty light purple that covered completely in 2 coats. But then I thought I would decorate it a little bit with some of these red flakies. I'm going to take some of the dip base in the red bottle and apply it near the cuticle and then just use a little toothpick to place the flakies near the cuticle. I'm then going to grab the activator in the yellow bottle and apply that to the nail to harden everything together. I'm then going to grab the top coat and apply that to the nail. And then after a minute after that has soaked in, I'm just going to apply the second top coat for extra shine. So working one nail at a time, this is how the first one came out. Next, I'm going to be attempting an ombre with the kind of peachy nude yellow color and the pink. I'm going to first be applying the base and then using a little brush to sprinkle on some of the yellow and then some of the pink powder. And I do notice the pink has kind of a glitter to it. Next, I'm going to apply activator to the nail. I'm then going to give it a light buff and then applying top coat. For the next nail, I'm also going to try an ombre, but this time it'll be the yellow to the purple color. Alright, so that is how the purple and yellow nail came out. For the next nail, I'm thinking of just doing a plain swatch of the yellow powder so we can see what it looks like by itself. I'm applying the base, but not all the way up to the cuticle area, and then dipping into the powder. It's not fully opaque in that one coat, and for the second coat, this time applying the powder all the way up to the cuticle. And I do notice with these double dip powders is that there will kind of get to be a little bit of clumping at the tip. That's just one thing I kind of notice. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this on camera, but in real life I do still see the nail line with those 2 coats. So looking back, if I use this color again as just a plain color, I'll probably do 3 coats. Finally, on the pinky nail, I'm going to do a swatch of the pink dip powder, which does have some glitters in it, so I think that'll be fun. The powder does seem pretty sheer in one coat, so I'm going to go ahead and apply another. And then we'll do one final coat. So in 3 coats, it does seem even a little bit sheer. I can kind of see the nail line. However, you do have to look pretty closely to notice, so it isn't much a problem. Alright guys, so there is the finished mani I created using a few different colors from Double Dip nails. I really love how pretty and summery these turned out, but overall I really enjoy testing out and reviewing these new powders. But speaking of trying things out, I haven't tested out nail art hacks on my channel for a while, so I thought I'd get back into that in my next video. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would consider and hit the bell so you'll be among the first to know when I upload my videos twice a week. If you guys would like to see me do more videos with dip powder, I do have a playlist put together together, and you can find that on my channel in the upper right corner of your screen and below in my description. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me do my own nails. I really hope you enjoyed, and have a magical day.